Have you planned a bit of a getaway for yourself and your family over the coming Easter weekend, but are concerned after noticing a slight vibration on your vehicle steering wheel, which is gradually becoming worse? This vibration is caused by worn out bushes and bearings, which will in time only get much worse. N1 4x4 offers a wheel instability kit that will put an end to any vibration you are currently experiencing on your vehicle steering wheel. This wheel instability kit consists out of tie rod ends, wheel bearings, stabilizer bushes, as well as a complete recon kit for your vehicle steering knuckle.